Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today I'm here at SoFi Invest in particular. So what I want to do today is I'm rebalancing my portfolio slightly. I've been waiting for this for a while, but markets have been good to us recently. So I have this SoFi Select 500 ETF. Now overall, it's not a bad ETF, right? It tracks 500 of the largest publicly traded companies. I like it a lot. But what I'm doing is I'm shifting a lot of my investments here to dividend investing. And you can see the dividend yield 1.39%. Not exactly awesome. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to sell some shares. Okay, now that we're in positive territory, you saw. All right, so I'm going to sell 23 shares, which is about half. All right. So not a huge trade or transaction, but it's going to give me some more working capital to buy some dividend yielding stocks or ETFs. All right, so it says, boom, trade is set. Okay, so that's all you got to do to trade on here. It's pretty easy, straightforward. And there are tons and tons of available ETFs and specialty ETFs, right, like weekly. That's the SoFi specific dividend ETF, and I'm pretty happy with that one. It's not terrible. It yields 3.24%. It's a little lower than the 5% target that I have for where I want to go with everything. But it's not bad, right? So I'm going to keep it for now. Plus, it's still a little negative in negative territory. You know me, I don't like selling stuff at a loss, so I'll just hang on to it for now. So what I do want to do is, here is one that I've been going into. It's a covered call ETF. If you guys follow my channel, if you guys don't follow my channel, I highly recommend it. Do a lot of stock trading, options trading, crypto. Join, subscribe, get my real-time stock trades. But you can see here, dividend yield 12.68%. Awesome. I like this ETF a lot. All right. Has many of the strategies that I use for covered calls, they use as well. So if I have a bunch of stock in, say, Boeing, for example, I just did a trade. I sold a covered call on some Boeing shares, and I just made it a quick $600. No, not bad. But if the stock goes above the strike price, okay, yeah, you got to sell it or try to roll it to next month. But that's for another video. You guys need to join and subscribe to get all that detail. But what I want to do today is I want to buy now. Buy. All right. So I'm just going to buy one share of stock in this ETF. All right. So I'm going to slide to confirm. It's super easy to trade here. Boom. Trade is set. And just like that, I should be executed by now. I should have a confirmation. All right, I can go in here, just make sure it's updated. Just pull down on the thing, updates pretty quickly. And go down here to my scheduled. You can see June 22nd is today. I bought one share, 15.54. You can see the detail. So it's pretty cool. So hey, if you guys want to start up an investing account, you need to check out my link below, okay? You're going to get some free cash if you use my link, and it'll be awesome. I really like SoFi. I know there's been a lot of fluff and FUD out there about SoFi is going to survive, the whole banking crisis. It seems like we're okay for right now. The Fed is in a spot where they're not raising rates, but they might raise them again. So it might be an additional housing banking fiasco coming, but we'll see. Anyway, you guys should subscribe to my channel. We'll keep track of all that stuff together, and be sure to sign up with the SoFi link below to get your free cash. I don't know if it's $50 or $75. I don't know what it is now, but whatever it is, it's a good deal. So good luck out there in the markets, and thanks for watching.